Hello everyone, this is my third ring light I ordered from Amazon. I want to open it now and we want to see together what is inside. Good things, bad things, quality and everything. I want to show you that. Stay with me. So, we want an 18-inch ring light. So I bought it about 65 euro, but the price is not so high, not so cheap, but I think it's better than something else. I bought it 30 euros ring light. That was horrible. 130 about, but the light was good, but was something issues. I returned it back to Amazon. So what we have here, so the box, we have a 3 mobile holder, so we see what is inside the box. So the bag, it's not so bad, not so good. The light was good covered. What do we have here? Tree holder. Nothing else. So menu, direction. So I have to see that first. What's going on here? So it has a remote control for the light and remote for the photo and else. We open it now. So the delivery was so fast, in 2 days come. So the tripod quality is not so bad. A little bit locker. So we have to fix it now. Okay. It's not so bad. 3 function. Oops. Oops. That's something, every time is something wrong. You can find anything match. So easily to fix it. But I have to see what inside that. Where is the remote control? I think the remote is inside. Okay, it's cable, but without adapter. The remote control for light. Here. And remote for handy or cameras. The battery is inside. We turn it on. So we can use the one or all the three holder. It's hard, it's good, but now I use all the holders. So we put it together. It's too high now. So how can I fix it? Okay. When I touch the things, I feel that this it's not so good. This establishes. Turn this light on. Maybe you can better see. So this is okay. So also we have for the USB, we can with charge when we don't power, we can with power bank use it. So let's go. First one. But I'm sure I don't want to this one take it back, because I know I can't find anything in this price. You have to pay more than 200 or 300, but in this price you can't find anything better than this. 63 euros. Like octopus. So it's ready to turn it on. What is this? Also, if you like this video, please subscribe me, because I need your support. And for the future, maybe. So where's the, so you can manually here, I guess. It's good. Its touch is perfect. Work bright. Minus and plus. One mode, two mode, third mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. It's good. I have to bring the batteries. I don't have batteries here, but I will show you. قطعش کن. So we have to put the batteries inside the remote control. It's okay. It's not so high quality, but it's work. Off, on, high. I don't know what do these side. Yeah, maybe work. Okay. On section. Okay, that was that. And we tested the remote control, the important things. The remote, we have to find the remote control from my phone. So we have to find the remote control. So we find it. Just a second. Okay, we find it. And camera. And you can see the video and photos. It's good. And we try what this one, and we have for the YouTube this one. You can hold it back and to side. So it's a little bit, but it's okay. I think. It's good. And this is my new ring light. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye.